Hello friends, welcome in my this video. In this video I'll show you how to make a calculator app in sketchware. In this tutorial I will only show you how to create a calculator of only plus, minus, into and divide operator using. So let's start. At first I'm creating an app calculator. Here you go. So at first I have to make the view. So to make the view, at first I'm giving to linear h here. Here I will give an edit text, then a text view, another edit text, and then a text view. And here I will give 4 buttons. So you see. So now what are these? Now I'm going to tell you. Please listen carefully. This button will for plus. This button will for minus. This button will for multiplication, and this will for divide. So here you go. Now if I say you in this edit text 1, users will give their value to math, and in this edit text 2 they will give their another value. After that we have to give 2 buttons. This button will for calculating, and this button will for removing all the values. AC. So here you go. Now the idea will be when we click on the plus here on the text view 1, plus we will see the plus, and in this text view 2 we will get the answer of our math. Okay, I hope you understood. And this AC button is used for removing all the numbers and quotations from the apps. So in the activity we have to go to on activity create and create 3 variables. Operator 1, operator 2, all will be number operators variables, operator 3. Now we have to set the number of operator 1 to 0. Here you go. Now on button 1 on click, we have to set the number of operator 1 to 1 and give a text view text view 1. We have to set text plus. Now I am copying it in my collection and saving it calculator. Okay, now button 2 on click, calculator, set operator 1 to 2, and it will be minus. This will view the quotations on this place, meaning text view 1. Now on text view 3, button 3 on click, set the operator 1 to 3 and set text multiplication. Now operator button for on a click, set operator 1 to 4 and set text divide. Okay, now button of 5 on click, what we have to do is to give here and to set number to now we have to set to number text view get text. Here edit text 1 and edit text 2. Now we have to give some operator here, control operator here. We have to give here if operator 1 equal to 1, then text view set text and set number 2. Set operator 1 to 0 and text view to set text to string with decimal here plus and variable operator 2 operator 2 plus operator 3. Okay, now we have to copy this and set it here, copy again, set it here and copy again, set it here. As we have plus minus into and divide, so here must be 4 operators. Now we have to set this, we have to delete this actually and then set here. Again we have to delete this and set into here, and we have to delete this and set divide here, and we have to set the operators here. Operator 3 here. Okay, everything is all right here. Now operator 1, if operator 1 equal to 2, then minus, if operator 1 equal to 3, then multiplication, if operator 1 equal to 4, then divide. Else if the numbers are not okay, then we have to toast here. This is your choice. Input valid number. Okay, everything is okay. Now what we have to do is to at last go to button 6 on click and set here text view 4, edit text 1, edit text 2, text view 1, text view 2. Set text here must be blank. It must be blank because we want to delete all the things of these places by clicking on AC. Now what is remaining? It is nothing remaining. Now I can run the app. Please wait a second so that the app may be installed correctly. Now at first I am tapping here 10.5 and then I want to add 20.5. Now if I click on calculate, see 31. Now if I give her 10 and give her 20 and give her a multiplication, then it is 200. Actually 200. Now if I click on AC, then all is gone. So in this way you can create a good calculator app of 4 values in sketchware. So if you like this video, you may like this, you may share this video to your friend, and please subscribe my channel to get latest videos of sketchware tutorials. Thank you.